guys, welcome back to another video and another outdoor unboxing, because today we've got a very nice and special model with us. This is from the IMSA 1-64 model collection by Mini GT. This is number 816. If I show you from the rear, I think you've got an idea which one is it, because you've got the Lamborghini hologram and the Lamborghini branding on the box itself, because this is the Lamborghini SC63. If we have a look at the front of the box, this is green in color, so green and grey box, and the Lamborghini name over here, it is SC63 number 63. It's from the 2024 IMSA Sebring. Of course, it is ages 14 plus, not for children. Lamborghini logo this side, Mini GT logo this side. I'll be posting a detailed short video for the unboxing and all of it. Number 816 once again for your reference. Now let's just quickly unbox it and see what's inside. So this is what it looks like from the side. I think the side is very nice and futuristic. The typical race car look. It has got number 63, CSR2, Iron Lynx badging over here. I think I already told you about this team. So that team's car only, and this is why it will pair very nicely with the green GT3 Evo 2, the Huracan, which I showed you guys recently. Tires are very nice and free rolling, and also important thing to note is that these have got the stickering, which looks very nice. Front details are something which we were all very excited to see, and yes, the front details are something which we should be excited about, because such kind of cars, I'll be honest with you, even in bigger scales, they are never easy to replicate, because the lighting and all of it is very complex in this. However, they have done a good job and it looks so nice. The futuristic stance is maintained and also the beauty is still there. This part, I think the hood is very nice. You've got the Italian flag on there and number 63. It's got some very nice mirrors also, and they are slightly flexible also, so that is also a good thing. Top angle, if I have to show you, probably like this. The top angle, it's also very nice and futuristic, and also it's got a lot of carbon fiber touches. Similarly, here at the rear, you can see and appreciate that. You can just check it out here. Detail, name of the drivers and all also very clearly visible. Let's have a look over here at the rear. You can see that the wing, it's been so nicely done with the carbon fiber details and all of it. And then finally we come on to the rear. The rear is also well done. The tail lamp detailing is there and it's very visible. The wing, it's very classic in itself. It's a very iconic car for sure. And finally, when we talk about the base is actually very plain. Just over here at the rear, you get the diffuser detailing. Rubber tires, of course. So rubber tires, I can just take these out and show it to you, which is very cool. The base is metal. In case you do not know, all the Mini GTs, they get metal bases. So this is it, guys. I mean, a short video. Shout out to Shreyas. He has been after my life to put a video on this as soon as possible, because he collects Lamborghinis. So yes, I hope you guys like this, and let me know what you guys think about this. What are your views after viewing this model? I think this is the first time I'm reviewing this model. I am pleasantly surprised. I think it's very beautiful. I really like the bright green color. This is a very neon green kind of color. The paint finish is very good in this. Detailing also, nothing to complain about. Yes, waiting to know what do you guys think about this. Do you like Lamborghinis? Do you plan to add this? Do you collect these IMSA cars? Let me know all of it in the comments, and hope you like this. Thank you for watching.